Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to remove the applications from using your Face ID on iPhone. For that you need to open your settings and scroll down to reach the Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode to enter into the settings. Here you can see the other apps using your Face ID. Tap on it. Here you can see the applications using your Face ID to authenticate. Tap on the toggle and turn it off. By disabling the toggle, by disabling from here, you can remove the application using your Face ID. By doing this, you can customize your Face ID for applications. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.